Hey guys, what's happening? This isn't about quote unquote better, it's about what you're building. Step one, understand the difference in philosophy. AWS equals maximum control. Google Cloud equals simplicity plus AI first. If you don't need complexity, OS becomes a burden. Step two, choose based on your workload. If use OS if you need deep infrastructure control, enterprise level customization matters. Use Google Cloud if your data, AI, analytics are core, you want faster setup. Step three, cost comparison, realistic view. OS gives flexibility but surprise costs. Google Cloud is easier to predict. Cost visibility matters more than raw pricing. Step four, don't lock yourself in blindly. Use containerization, standard databases, portable architectures. Cloud lock-in is a long-term tax. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.